Hi! Welcome. Today's free template is a very common layout that I use a lot in my storyline designs. It's a tab layout. This setup is great to break up blocks of text and add animations. We make sure that we're going to add visited states to make this display even more interesting. Let's have a look at how I've set this up. Firstly, I've added a colour background to provide some contrast for the text. Next, I've added a title and an introduction placeholder. This is editable for you. You can even change the font to match your brand. Next, I always add an instruction note. If you go to Insert, Icons and search Info, you can add a graphic to support this text. Right-click on the icon and click Accessibility. Untick this checkbox so an e-reader does not read the layer name. This is important if an image is just decorative like this one. Next, I added a custom button tab. If you view the states, you can see that I have normal, selected and visited states set. The visited has a tick check marks to visually show the learner that they have already selected that tab. Again, this graphic is from the icon library within Storyline. Next, I add my layers. You will see in my timeline that I have named my timeline layers the exact same as my layers panel. This makes setting up triggers easier. Each layer has a white box to contrast text and extra animated rectangle to give the illusion of a moving tab. Now let's set up our triggers. You can see here that I have a basic click to reveal trigger, which is show layer tab 1 when the user clicks tab 1. And that will continue for tab 2, tab 3, tab 4 and tab 5. Finally, to go a step further, if you want to block the user from clicking next until the interaction is complete, for this to work smoothly, you need to ensure that you have a set state of the next button to disabled when the timeline starts on this slide initially. Next, you can set up the final trigger like I have here, which is change state of next button to normal when the state of tabs 1 to 5 are visited. This is why it's important to set up a visited state when creating your buttons. It means less triggers, less complexity. And there you have it, a functional, aesthetic, free tabs layout for your next Storyline project. Download the Storyline file in the description link of this video. Feel free to leave me feedback in the comments or let me know what template you'd like to see next. Thanks for watching.